ain't gonna lie to you, I don't remember. I don't think I can put music in it because there is music playing. But so if the audio is muted, then that's why. Oh, it's the same guy. I remember this guy. Same Super, bro. I was waiting to hear this thing do a pull, bro. But dream car, I don't care how overrated y'all say it is, bro. Dream car for real. Bro, the camera don't really like do no justice. White on white go hard, bro. Then you got the wide body. I've seen this car before at like a show probably like 2 years ago. Bro, the amount of work he put into this now. Oh my god, bro. Look at the details, bro. Details, bro. Nasty, bro, nasty. Remember you too? Clean. I ain't even see the trunk of this. The music stopped so I can talk now. Bruh.
Participation, and if it ain't for you guys, this car community doesn't exceed, right? So we're here now because of the Fast and Furious and the culture what we kind of created 25 years ago, and it breaks barriers. So you guys also don't know that Fast and Furious was the first time in cinematic history that it broke race barriers in different race groups. So there was Hispanics, blacks, whites, all within one movie. It was the first time in the silver screens Hollywood gave it a green light. So it's a testament to where we are in our society today and bringing people together in a very divided community, and the cars do that. So let's keep this thriving, guys, and thank you to each and every one of you guys. Again, Louis Tricks and Silva Diogo, 737 Apparel, Auto Culture Events, guys. Thank you so much, Raleigh. I love you.
Don't forget to check out their booth, 737 Apparel booth.
That's clean. Got the Viper outside.
He's filming right now, so don't step away.
Alright, chat, we done had to step outside with it. Got a whole drift Mustang right here. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. Drift thing. Got the angle kick. Type shit. Alright, chat, we outside with it. I know I already said that shit, but we're just gonna walk around and see what kind of cars out here, because I see a R33, a 240, and there's a Hellcat over there. Right there, matter of fact. I think it's bro. Got an R33 right here. Clean shit. I see Woody in the back top. Clean, clean. Oh, he just got it too? Oh yeah. W to whoever this is. Like, damn, bro. It's hella cars out here too. Now I can talk to y'all now. It's clean as hell, bro. Clean as hell. Damn, R35. Sheesh. Y'all supposed to be inside, my boy. Y'all outside. What the fuck, nigga? What is outside spotting cars and shit? Clean, bro. 392 right here. Type shit. Clean, clean. Oh, it ain't got a 350. What the fuck? Clean, clean. Bro, it's an intercept. Damn, bro, with the wide body scat leaving. Motherfucker. Bro, there's a whole NS6 outside. Why are you outside, bro? Why are you outside, bro? Damn, that shit loud as fuck. Bro, niggas are getting active outside, bro. I'm trying to record everybody's car. Oh shit. Hold on. What the fuck, nigga? Got a scat over here. Anyway, I seen bro before. Got a purple SLT 392. SLT 8. Oh yeah, I'm about to stay over here, bro. Niggas getting active over here, chat. What the fuck? It's a Mustang, bro. Niggas getting active. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, sir. This is clean. Okay. Damn, I should have parked. What's crazy is, bro, when I was trying to find directions to get through here, all this is like connected, but I didn't know because I had already came through. Oh, they over there with it. Yeah, they get. God damn, bro. That C6 right here, bro. Now watch they stop when I come over here. What the fuck, bro? I need to go get my car and bring it over here. Niggas getting active, bro. What the fuck? Niggas getting active. Bro, over here going crazy. I tell you they're gonna stop when I get over here. They're gonna stop when I get over here. Alright, back to the C6. Bro, I don't know what the fuck this happened. This thing nasty. Oh, this is the I know exactly who you are now. The pace car that had lights on and shit on the top. That be doing the rollers. Clean. Got a clean S2K. Nice.
How the fuck we missed the WRX?
I think I've seen this before. I think I seen it on the highway. I wasn't cutting up on nothing, but this shit clean. Matter of fact, I think this was sale. Or the wheels will sell, one or two. But shout out to you, bro. And I spy my twin. Tight shit. Got the hell keys over here. Got a 5.0. Shit clean. Camry. But this thing right here, I came over here for this. I seen this up top, like, God damn. This shit nasty, bro. I think I be seeing this at Cars and Coffee, I think. I ain't too sure. This thing nasty, bro. Look at this thing, Shelby. Yeah, it's clean. I seen it upstairs. I seen it up top. Shit, nice. Clean wheels on it. Nice. I don't know why I didn't record these coming in, but these clean. They still in there though. Damn, it's leaving. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I was about to end the video off, but I've been hearing some niggas going crazy. Oh, that's pro charge. Hold on. I've been hearing some niggas going crazy up top, bro. So I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to go out there and see what they talking about. I'm gonna go back over there, park, cause I parked all the way down here. But yeah, I'm gonna see what these boys talking about, cause they be going crazy. Type shit, y'all. I ain't gonna stop recording, chat. Hold on. Nah, look at this motherfucker. Yes, sir. That bitch sound good as fuck. Yeah, nigga. Here for 12 come. Nice. Like, bro, I want to hear that shit. God damn. Alright, YouTube, that's gonna be it for this video. I know the show don't end till like 6, but there's nothing else that's gonna like be like coming in or out. Somebody did get active over here, but oh hell no! Hold on, hold on. The 240 leaving. Sheesh. Okay, never mind. There's still cars out here, bro. I'm just trying to hurry up and get to like the next, not next meet location, but like around that area. But this motherfucker low as hell, bro. Ain't gonna lie, I need to paint my calipers, but I want to upgrade. This shit clean, bro. This shit is clean. Like I said, again, I ain't gonna lie, I done made an outro like 4 times. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. But y'all leave a like, bro, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all boys next time.
Don't get going pretty